So this brings me to the other part of my talk, which I call the vision of good translation with examples that are both hopeful and dismal. In other words, sometimes in order to show what a good translation should be, and by the way, this is also the ones that I just passed around that you have looking at you, I will tell you, even before I say anything else, I already have evaluated those two. Wahiduddin Khan, which by the way also got free. I got it in the Rustam Pasha Mosque in Istanbul. I teach in Istanbul every fall, at least half of the last 4 years. And I went to Rustam Pasha and they said, oh, you don't speak Turkish? I said, well, actually I do. Well, you don't read a Turkish translation, read this one. So it was a Turkish person also at that mosque at the same time as I was who said, take this Wahiduddin Khan. I already had seen it, but not seen as good as this. So the best copy I've got of Wahiduddin Khan, which is from India, is in Turkey because my Muslim guide there said it's a lot better than what you're going to get in Turkish or something else in English in Turkey. That's how prevalent is the marketing of something. And I would still say, not just because I got in Turkey free, Wahiduddin Khan is better than Kaveci, which I had to pay for yesterday in Turkey, in Ataturk Airport, just so I could bring it here and show you how bad a Turkish translation English is with an English translation from an Indian author that I also got from Turkey.